Alright folks, just blew a hydro line. I don't see it leaking. I don't see it. Huh?
Oh, it's that one up there.
Oh, it's up there. Okay. Well,
go get the new line. You guys got hoses.
We had a line let loose, folks. Holy shit, dude! Holy shit! She let loose, folks. We had a hydro line let loose. She fucking took out the fucking reel and sprayed the fucking windshield and shit. Yeah, she done pissed it all. Oh fuck yeah, that old ass hose. Look at that fucking thing. No wonder why. Hey, that's an easy fix, Craig.
Go get a new line.
You just unscrew this right here, and it's quick disconnect right up there, fellas. That's all right. Just disconnect it up there.
Said he's going to get his combine.
Why?
I want that field picked today.
Yeah, but here, all you do is quick disconnect there. Take that line out with a crescent wrench right there, Craig, and that's a quick.
Ain't got to pick it low enough where you're going to get very much
Yeah,
draw.
fuck him. Fuck him.
I don't think you want your brother helping you.
No.
Where's Dad? What's that?
He went to go get duct tape, but you got crescent wrench. Bob can run that. He can run to O'Reilly's. They'll make that hose. That's a simple hose. Shit, it's not even. It's like a 5-foot hose. Quick disconnect there, just pops off. Yeah. Take it off there. Put the Pioneer end back on the new one.
Dad there.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's quick. I mean, he can be up and run 10 minutes. Take longer to go for him to go get the hose. It's easy to fix. Yep. Yeah, that's easy. They'll be able to make that. All right, folks, we got this part 2 today. No line let loose.
Fucking hell.
Well, everybody was asking last night when the next breakdown was. Well, it's here.
Right now.
It's here.
Well, you know what the thing of this? This thing was actually starting to work.
And it was working good.
Yeah, because your plate's finally cleaned up.
That line ain't no big deal. No big deal. We'll get that fixed. We'll get her taken off. Get her re-greased, folks. So, what's happened? Made it in 300-400 feet. Hydro line let loose. Kind of the name of the game. Stand by while we get some tools, folks. We're broke down. Alright, folks. Now we're cleaning off. We got a brake cleaner. Got to get that fucking hydro oil off the windshield there. It let loose. We just sent our service guy to go get a hose made at the O'Reilly's Auto Parts Center. And then we'll be back on run. We were trying to call the service guy from John Deere, but apparently he's fucking, he said he was at church and he wasn't gonna be able to make it out until later. And we say, fuck him. We'll go to O'Reilly's Auto Parts Center. So basically what happened here, folks, is they were in the field. He went to move a lever and the line had a severed bad spot in it. And then when she let loose, she was spraying all over the windshield. It was better out here than underneath the hood, and then we'd had a fire. Huh?
You guys see it like lately?
No, we seen your brother fucking throw his hands up in the tractor stop. I was like, something's broke. Yeah, she just sprayed about 5 gallons all over. There you go, folks. There's the John Deere ship bind. That's our backup. We're down right now, so we don't want to stop production here while the hydro line's being repaired. Brought down the fucking 3300 special. That's a 6 fucking bushel hopper in there. They got fucking Pall Mall smoker there. He said, oh, we're not setting them, we're just running. He wants to set the.
I gotta sit over there with a fucking monkey wrench.
Oh fuck, he's got to set the concaves. He said.
Fucking shit buying finest fucking shit.
10-4. Hydro line's coming. Hydro line will be here in 10 minutes. The hydro line will be back in 10 minutes.
Oh yeah. Well, at least we keep going since we got this.
We're gonna run all day.
Yeah.
All right. She's ready.
All I gotta do is set the concave.
They look good. I think they're already set. All right, we're gonna set the concaves here, buddy.
Yeah, you're done.
All right.
it?
Yep, right here, it's puking. See, that's where his line's at. That's where it's supposed to be.
Yeah. That's far off.
Didn't we pick wheat with this last year?
Yeah, it's slowly headless.
That's what I thought.
Didn't we do about number 2?
Number 2? We got a little antifreeze leak up there, guys. This tractor might not last long either. Oh, you gotta turn it by hand? There's your concave setting down here, so it's gonna sit on number 2. And then we should be up to par. We got a little blow by here. Gotta get in there. This grease monkey wrench. Keep going, Craig, a little bit more. We're about 2.5, about 3 right now. Come on, we're right at people coming, we want to be in that grain about 2. Keep going, you're not there yet. Might be locked up. There you go, keep coming. Keep going.
You're going the right way.
Yeah. We're almost there. About 2.5. Keep going. A little bit more.
Keep going.
Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. Oh, right there. You're right there on 2. Yep, needle's on 2.
A little more.
Alright, we're gonna go a little more.
1.5.
Yeah, we wanted 2. They said 2. Here we go, folks. Whoa, man. Checking the field. Looking good. Good harvest. Coming in and checking our straw. There he goes. We've got the palm all hanging out of the mouth, folks. Seeing what we got going on here. Got a little problem with the fishing antifreeze. Looks like it's working pretty good. It's a problem. There you go. In the John Deere 3300. So we got a breakdown. We're having a little problem, folks, with picking the wheat this year. Oh, something broke down. Something broke down. What happened? Are you shitting me? Belt just let loose?
Just your belt.
Did it just fall off? That makes me think that's the one that fell off last year. we're broke down. We're 2 for 2 combines broke down today. We got one coming with the new hydraulic hose. That one just lost the fucking let loose. We got 2 combines down. Well, you won't believe what happened, folks. Yep, fucking main drive belt just let loose. Boom, it's fucking done. We got 2 broke combines down right now. Hydraulic line, we'll get this one back on, get this one back in the field, and that one's just gonna sit because it's fucked and deer's closed today. So
it's gonna sit where? Right where it's at?
We're gonna have to. It's fucked.
Drive belt fucking just broke.
Yep. So we got 2 combines.
Some duct tape and a lot of twine.
Let's get that open workstation one.
Oh, sounds like me baling wire.
Let's get that open work one. God damn, I got all that shit all over my machine. Now I do a little maintenance work on this thing too. I don't want it to break down on me. I'll be walking. You know what I mean? It's good I changed the oil on it today. Alright folks, got the 7720 back up and running, new hydro line. We have the 3300 special drive belt just let loose over there on the fucking east side. So what's happening here now is 2 combines do the field. As one breaks down, we work on the other one. That one breaks down, we work on the other one. We just keep them going. We don't like
this big old dump right there.
It just is like a cow shit. Just dump the load. There you go. The grain's going into the hopper, folks. That's money right there. Feeding good. This is one of our many test plots, folks, where we test equipment, stability. Doing good. Looking good. We're losing some product out of the lower drive arm. See that? Losing some product. All right, he's going.
We're reseeding as we go.
Yeah, it's part of the reseeding process. 2019, to collect the check, we have to reseed as we go. Good shafting's coming out the back, folks. No seed is being lost. We're 100% going in the hopper for sure. I can guarantee it. Guarantee it. Okay, he's backing up, folks. The throat's plugged. Snouts come up. The bullshit stops. There we go. All right, now he's moving. He's pressing forward. He's doing good. Doing good. Look, that's a nice truck coming into the snouts. There you go. Oh, why did it come up? Why did you bring it up? Leave it down. All right, folks. His throat was getting plugged. There we go. Something makes me think he ain't going fast enough. There we go. Oh, snout's coming up, goes in reverse. We do this all day long. I wonder why we keep going in reverse. Press forward. We're broke down. We're plugged up. broke down, folks. They're grinding them if you can find them. Here's what's happening, folks. We got the reverser gears out of it, so we're just grinding it until it goes. Just let loose, folks. 7720 is down. It's got a fresh hydraulic hose on it.